In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop Opera browser background music. If you've ever opened Opera and heard music continue to play in the background, even when you're not on a media site, it's likely coming from Opera's built-in player panel. This feature connects to services like music and podcast platforms and can automatically resume playback, which is helpful sometimes, but distracting when you just want silence. Let's turn it off cleanly. Start by opening the Opera browser. On the left side of the window, look for the sidebar and click the gear icon labeled Settings. This is where Opera keeps all of its customization options, so we'll make a quick change here to prevent background audio from auto-playing. Inside Settings, navigate to the section called Features. This area groups together Opera's unique tools, including the player. Scroll until you find the Player section. You'll see an option called Enable Player. This switch is what activates the mini player panel and allows it to run in the background. Toggle off Enable Player. The moment you disable it, Opera will stop loading the player panel, which means it won't start or continue music in the background anymore. You should also notice that the player icon in the sidebar disappears, confirming the feature is turned off. From here, you can simply close the Settings tab. There's nothing else you need to save. A few quick notes to help you out. Turning off the player only affects Opera's built-in panel. It doesn't mute sound from regular website tabs. So if you're still hearing audio after this change, it may be coming from a site you have open instead of the player. And if you ever want the player back, for example, to control streaming from the sidebar, you can return to the same Features section and switch Enable Player on again. That's it. Open Opera, go to Settings, find Features, locate Player, and disable it. You've now stopped background music from Opera's player and can browse in peace.